cooking my breakfast so I can get ready so I can go do Uber. And Chad is out there doing things he's not supposed to, and I forgot to put butter, so it's sticky. Unless I'm still gonna eat it. I have to go find out what he's doing over there. He's probably messing with that bed again. Warming up my tortilla. I'm going to make scrambled egg burrito. I bought this new coffee creamer at Food for Less. First time I'm trying it, and it's really good. I love it. Tastes delicious, like it says. Southern butter pecan. I'm used to flipping the tortillas over with my hands. My mom's Mexican, so that's how we learn how to do it. What are you doing? Or what did you do? I hear some ruckus out there. Let's go see what you did. You're gonna get us in trouble, mister. What? I'm going inside. Chad, come over here. Come on, let's go see what you did. Oh, you stinker. Oh, I knew it. He took off the plastic completely off at one side. Oh my God. I don't know why he keeps messing with his bed. It's not even our bed. We're going to get in trouble. I had to use tape again. Tape it together. This is my plastic that I had bought when we were painting our apartment. And I'm covering this because I'm trying to keep it clean and cat free from damaging it. I hope they hurry up and take this. I had to put a mop there, so hopefully he leaves it alone. Where are you, Chad? Chadler Bean. Chadler, you little stinker, you know what you're doing, huh? I think he wants attention, and I gotta get ready to go do Uber. Oh, he snuck in the house. There you are. Oh. Leave that bed alone, sir. I gotta get ready for work. You want a snack? Yes? Okay. I'll give you a snack right now. Let me close the door. It's a nice day today. Nice sunny day. It's gonna be hot. Okay, eat your snack, and then you gotta take your morning nap, and I have to finish getting ready. No more shenanigans.